Hello guys, I am Byron, and in this video, I am demonstrating how we could run Mimic Pi inside two games we supported, Shattered Pixel Dungeon and Minecraft. There are two ways to run Mimic Pi. First of all, we provide a virtual machine that can be run inside the VirtualBox, and you can download it from this link. And this one allowing you to skip all the environment setup we have to set for the Mimic Pi and the games. The second way is that you clone this repository and set up the environments following the README file we provided. After all environments are set up for Mimic Pi and the games, the first thing we need to do is that we need to copy this file .environment.keep.this file, pasting them into the environment file. And here are all the parameters you need for configuring the Mimic Pi. And first of all, we have a game subject, and we set them to the MC because we are running Minecraft at the first game we want to demonstrate. And then we set up the personality to the one you want. We have all listed above, and also we can set an agent name to whatever you want. And then the experiment duration allows you to set how long you want the agent to be run inside your game. And is continued means that whether you want to continue from the previous memories with the same agent name, and we suggest you to set this to true always. And next, you need to set up the OpenAI API key, which you can get from the official OpenAI website. And this is mandatory for running the agent inside the game because we were also using embedding models from the OpenAI, no matter what kind of models you are choosing. Then next, we can configure the model you want to use for different usage. And for now, we will use OpenAI GPT-4o as the example. And for the others, for example, Olama models or local models, you can go check the README file. Okay, so from now on, we will start to run Mimic Pi inside Minecraft. Currently, we have a Minecraft account logged in and set up with all environment requirements. Then we click on the Java edition and we click on the play. Once inside the game, we click on the single player and you will see a Mimic world that we created before. Once inside the game, we press the escape and we find the open to line and we select the game mode to be survival and allows the cheats and start the line world. And then we will see a port number showing up here. And we copy paste this port number to the MC port inside the .environment file. 64333. And for example, the port might be gone inside the chat box. To find it, you just need to press T and it will show all the history you have here inside. So next step, we will start the agent. So we can start the agent by running the run Python file. While waiting the agent to join the game, you will need to make sure that you are opening the game and the game is not in the pause mode. So you don't press any button and don't press the escape to open the menu. Once the agent is ready to run, you will see that the chat box is showing that the server is paused and you will not be able to move around inside the game. Once this is happening, you press T and type in B and press enter to start the agent. Okay, next, we are showing you how to run Mimic Pi in Shattered Pixel Dungeon. We go back to the environment file and we set up the game subject to SPD. And once we set up, we go to the README file of Shattered Pixel Dungeon and we copy paste these two lines of comments to the terminal. Once the game has been opened up, we click on the enter the dungeon and we click on the warrior and we start the game. Then we'll find we are inside the dungeon. And what to do is next is that we press on B and we will show up and enter your command window. And then we go to run the Python file. Once the agent is ready, you will see a new connection inside the console for the game, and you will also see the agent telling you that it's inherited with the memory system. And then we type into 1 inside the command window and click on Set. And then the agent will start.
For this video, I am demonstrating Mimic Pi in Minecraft and SPD, but for Dungeon Adventure, it will be almost the same as SPD as they are both open source games. At the same time, we also provided detailed README files for each of the game, which you can follow. If you find any problems during the setup, please feel free to leave a comment below. And please find the link to our project webpage in the description. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.